Hello people, this is Brett from Elliott Wave, and today is Tuesday the 3rd of June, and as you can see we're going to be taking a look at Bitcoin. So, without wasting any time, I think we have two main accounts we're going to be taking a look at today. One is the one you're looking at, which is not my preferred one. I repeat, it is not N-O-T, my preferred one. And it's the more, let's say, conservative one. Down in A, up in B, down in C of primary wave 2. And this wave 1 with primary wave 1 would be the whole move from the 2022 lows. Okay? Now, it's possible we go down from here, but I mean, as of right now, I don't see this being my main option. Now, if that was the case, then as you can see from my count, I am anticipating a top in place already. Okay? And I think I'm about to sneeze, but we'll see. This would be down in 1, up in 2, down in 3, up in 4. Okay, so can we count 5? 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, I guess. 1, 2. I guess you can count it kind of like this. See if I can line them all up. 3, 4, 5. That would be probably just minute, if not minuet. No wave kind of validation yet. And obviously, this would be minor wave 1, blah 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 blah. Okay. So that would be the count for this bearish scenario. Okay. Once again, not my preferred one, but possible. Also, and that's one thing we're gonna also start from in my preferred count, is that we appear to have broken the structure. What I mean by that is, this is one move. We appear to have broken that move to the upside with this. Okay, that's what it looks like. With that in mind, we now switch and we take a look at this. Now, the short-term count kind of went to hell. So I guess you kind of need a I guess you would kind of need to kind of like this, with a leading diagonal in wave 1. That could work. Now, down in 2. So first of all, sorry. This is actually a pretty nice count. Not because I did it. That's one of the reasons. But because we have nice alternation between 2 and 4, sideways 2, and a sharp wave 2. A sharp wave 2 and a sideways wave 4. We also have alternation here within a minor wave 3, which is playing hide and seek. Okay. Minute 4, minute 2, nice alternation. And as I was mentioning in the other account, we seem to have broken this structure to the upside with this, which suggests we are into wave 2. Now, the big question is, Barrett, when is this wave 2 gonna bottom? You guys know my answer if you've been around long enough. I have no clue. If I knew, I wouldn't be here. But what can we say about it? Well, one thing is we could just label the downside in 5, like we did like we did with the other count. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for A. Okay, up in B, down in C. So a zigzag into wave 2. Okay, remember the zigzag is not in A. A zigzag means 5, 3, 5. So a zigzag is in 2. If you say a zigzag in A, it means you have a 3-wave substructure in wave A, and that 3-wave substructure in wave A is a zigzag. Okay, I see many people get confused by that, but it's totally understandable. Not really unacceptable. Shame on you. So that's one possibility. Another possibility is wave A goes here, ABC, ABC into wave B now, and then downside in C. Which one is it? No clue. I have no clue. But what I can say is, it's possible it's the flat in wave 2, so A, B, and C. Because I would like to see kind of the neighborhood, we would say mathematics, of 100,000 being respected as support. Okay, that would be ideal. Let's see the pullback. So between 3% at around 100,000, 38.2 go down to 95, which is also possible. So I would kind of say the flat scenario would suggest a bottom around 100,000. The zigzag would suggest a bottom around 95. Once again, no clue which one is going to be. I wish I knew. So I wish I could tell you, but no clue. But I think it's a viable option. Now, what is very interesting is that we were anticipating some sort of a top here with my Deutsch fellas. They were also anticipating some sort of a top here. We had some different counts, but we are on the same page that the bottom was imminent. And I guess, I mean, really, the way I see it's gonna be either we are in wave 2 or we're going down, and we're going down big. As of right now, I have no reason looking around me. So stock market, blah blah blah. I have no reason to believe the first one is gonna. So the most bearish is gonna play out. I stick to this one. Now, got a question the other day. You can look at volume. You can look at where are they? Other indicators. I do it when I'm interested. So let's say I am interested in a stock I want to add to my long-term portfolio, then I do a more in-depth analysis. I also look at cash flow, I look at financials, so on and so forth, valuations, forward valuations, because always got to look when you invest, always need to take a look into the future. But the future is unknown, but gotta make an educated guess. But yeah, you can do that. I won't do it because I'm lazy and I don't want to waste too much of your time. Just want to present mainly the Elliott Wave count. Thank you for watching. Have a great Tuesday, everyone, and I will see you soon.